Are you feeling overwhelmed with your to-do list? Do you find yourself procrastinating often? What if I told you that the solution is as simple as the 2-minute rule? The concept is easy. If something can be done in 2 minutes or less, just do it now instead of putting it off. It sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me, it works. This simple rule can transform your life in minutes. Let me explain why. First of all, completing quick tasks gives you an immediate sense of accomplishment. This boost in confidence will motivate you to tackle bigger tasks. You may even find that the small tasks you thought were time wasters were actually preventing you from being productive in other areas. The 2-minute rule also helps you to form good habits. Brushing your teeth, doing a few stretches, or making your bed may only take a few minutes, but if you do these things every day, they become ingrained in your routine. Before you know it, you've developed a habit of being productive. Finally, the 2-minute rule helps you to overcome the paralysis of perfectionism. Often, we hesitate to start a task because we want it to be perfect. Starting with a small step, even if it's not perfect, can help you to build momentum and move on to bigger things. So next time you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed, remember the power of the 2-minute rule. Don't procrastinate, just do it now. You will be amazed at your results. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.